Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to root your phone very easily. If you follow my full instruction, hope you will root your phone very easily. How to get the boot image file? Open your main ROM file, then you see the images, click here and you can see the boot file. Just copy it on your phone. So first of all, you will bring the boot image file on the ROM you have on your phone from your PC or laptop to your phone. Then you will install the Magisk Manager APK. Install the Magisk Manager APK on your phone. Then uh, open the Magisk Manager APK. Then you will see an install button on the upper right side of the Magisk Manager. Click install. Then select and patch a file. Click here. Then you select your phone boot image and click boot image and then click let's go. It's take a few moments. After doing that, you will get a file and take that file to your laptop or PC, and I am showing the full other process on my laptop. After coming to the laptop, the first file you get in the phone will bring this file from your phone on your PC. The file is, after connecting this phone, here you can see my phone. Then go to the download folder. Here you will find a boot image file. I will show you. Here it is the boot image file. Then copy it and paste here. Here you can see the boot image file. To get into fastboot mode, press and hold the power button and the volume down button of your phone at the same time. Then your phone will go into the fastboot mode. Now connect your phone with your laptop. Then click the ADB setup file. Then click ADB setup. Press yes. Then hit Y and enter, and again hit Y and enter, and hit again Y and enter. Then click next, finish. The window will automatically closed. Now go to platform tool. Then click on the address bar. Type here CMD, then hit enter. A new pop-up window will come. Now type here Fastboot devices. Fastboot devices and hit enter. Here you can see my phone serial number will came appear. Now type Fastboot flash boot. Fastboot flash boot, and drag and drop the file here and hit enter. Now your phone your phone rooting process will start. Is take a few minutes, and you can see your phone will boot it. Now type fastboot reboot. And hit enter. And now your phone will be open. After the other process I will show in my phone. So if I enter the Magisk Manager APK, I can see all the function has been worked properly and full function will available. That means your phone has been rooted properly. So if you follow the all instruction of my video, hope you will root your phone very easily. So thank you for watching this video. If you do not understand something, you will message me on Telegram and I will request you guys to subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. So that's it for today.